A day off for the jury today in the Michael Jackson child molestation trial. Prosecutors say they expect to begin wrapping their case soon, but the focus of this past week's testimony mainly focused on the accuser's stay at Jackson's Neverland Ranch. MSNBC's Jennifer London has more.
Michael, are you glad to hear that the prosecution case is almost over?
Well, I think it's going well, thank you.
The gag order prevented Michael Jackson from saying much more, but the mother of his accuser had plenty to say. On her fifth day of testimony, she looked and pointed at the defendant and told him, quote, "We didn't want anything to do with you anymore." Reaction to her testimony mixed among court watchers.
If I've seen a bully in this courtroom, it's this witness. I mean, she clearly is non-responsive to particular questions.
There's enough corroboration to her testimony that she cannot be discounted. She's very complicated.
During week 8, the jury also heard from the accuser's maternal grandmother. The woman testified in Spanish and used an interpreter. She said when her grandchildren returned from Neverland, they acted differently. She also said Jackson's people were calling her house night and day.
The jurors related to her. The jurors loved her. She provided levity. They connected with her.
The question before the jury, was the family held against its will? The accuser's mother testified that she never witnessed any molestation and did not see the pop star give her young children alcohol, but she is still a key witness for the conspiracy charge. A former Neverland security guard testified that he saw a note in the security office in early 2003 which said the boy was not allowed off the property.
There was also a note in a log corroborating, "Do not let the boy leave." That corroborates the mother's testimony, and that's very important.
We're told the prosecution may wrap up its case within a week, but not before the jury hears more testimony about prior allegations against Jackson. A former security guard may testify that he saw 2 wet swim trunks on the floor of Jackson's rec room where the defendant and his 1993 accuser had been earlier in the evening.